Hello, welcome to Creative Designs with Regina. If you click this link, you probably are interested in updating your current kitchen cabinets. So if you want to know how I did it, then sit back, relax, and enjoy. Today I will be showing you how I was able to update this kitchen using some fresh paint and some updated hardware. I started out by removing all the old hardware from the doors. I decided to use my drill to remove all the hardware, but you can always use a screwdriver if that's the tool you prefer. After removing all the hardware, I began cleaning with one of my favorite products, Crud Cutter Kitchen Degreaser. It's an excellent product to use to prepare the surface for the paint. I chose a chalk style finish paint by Rust-oleum Home in the color Cognac. It's a beautiful, vibrant color. The application process was a little different from paints I've used in the past. Although the paint goes on really thin, it gives a pretty good coverage. One thing I noticed about this paint, because it dries really fast, you should work at a nice steady pace in order to get a nice smooth finish. This paint requires very little touch-up after the first coat. I used two 30-ounce cans in order to complete this project. In order to get into the more detailed areas, I decided to use an angle brush. This allowed me to paint without having to tape off everything. Although this method worked for me, you may want to consider taping off and using a roller brush to get a more smoother finish. As you can see in the video, the paint dries really fast with a chalk-like finish. After completing the base coat, I decided to go with Rust-oleum Chalk Protective Top Coat, Matte Clear. I have used it in the past and trust in its ability to protect my paint surface. Application of the top coat is fairly easy, but you must make sure not to apply too much because it will leave puddles on your surface. I purchased some fresh handles and door hinges. Check the link in the description to see all products used in order to complete this project. There you have it. A beautiful, modern, updated kitchen. Simply using two tools, some fresh paint with some modern hardware. Ask yourself a simple question: why wouldn't I update my kitchen? Thank you for watching Creative Designs with Regina.